students, how are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be fine at your home. Dear student, we are going to read about the safety rules. That means being safe. How do we be safe? In previous class we have read about the safety rules at home. Today we shall read about the safety rules on the road. Safety on the road. That means how to be safe on road. Dear students, there are some safety rules that we have must follow on road to be safe. So dear students, now we are going to start it. There are few rules, few points. Dear students, every and each point you have to mention in your notebook. It is very necessary. You have to write and remember it, and you should have to follow it also. Yes, dear friends, it is very essential for our life. It is very necessary for our life. How to be safe on road? Because we are daily going on road by vehicles like buses, cycles, many other. So dear friends, it is very mandatory, it is very necessary to you have to follow these rules and remember it also. Number first, always follow the traffic rules. Always walk on the footpath on the safe side of the road. What is the meaning of traffic rules? Some rules are being established by our government, our technicians to be safe on road. There are some symbols that tells us about the situation of road. You have seen in many times red lights. That means traffic lights. That green said go, yellow said be ready, red said stop, and you have to move your van in your lane. Yes, just it. Always walk on footpath. You know very well, beside the roads, both of the sides, there are some way make to walk on foot. That is called footpath. That means you have to walk. That means safe side. What do you mean by safe side? In India, people use left side. That means people in India, the left side of the road is safe for walking. So you always have to walk on footpath in left side. Yes, dear student. Next rule. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. What do you mean by zebra crossing? You have seen many times in road, white black strips are found. Yes, Jason. You know the color of zebra? The color of zebra is white black strip. So if you will see the zebra like structure on road, that means the color like zebra, white red strip, you have to cross that points. But dear student, many students live in village areas. Yes, dear student. So there is no zebra crossing. So dear student, there we use to first the previous rule. That means first we have to look the left. After that we have to look the right. Again look left and cross the road. Yes, dear student. But in town areas, you have to use subway, overbridge and zebra crossing to cross the road. After that, follow the traffic lights. You know very well in few seconds before, the traffic lights, there are 3 lights on traffic, green, yellow and red. Green red light said that you have to go. Yellow light said be ready for going, and red light said that stop. So we always used to follow the traffic rules, traffic lights also. After that, do not run or play on road. Dear student, if you will play on road or run on road, there are many vehicles are running, so they can be hitted you, and we may fall down, and many kinds of injuries like hand broken, many other injuries, even death will occur if we will run or play on road. So dear students, always be safe on road. We have to walk on left side. Do not put your head and hands up from a moving vehicles. Yes, dear students, if you will put out your hands or head in the moving vehicle, that if there buses or other vehicles cross your vehicle, it may be hurt you, it may be injured you, you may be, that means it makes accident. Next, if possible, use a subway to cross a road. What do you mean a subway? The path made underside of the road to cross the people, these are called subway. Yes, just one more thing. There is one more way to we cross the road that is not mentioned in your book. Overbridge. We use overbridge to cross the road also. Yes, it is safe for crossing the road. Okay, dear students. Next, one thing that is written in your book said that in big cities the underground passing on across the road is called subway. Okay, dear students. Next, after the road, we have to read about, we have to learn about how do we save at school. Yes, dear student, how do we save at school? That means safety at school. Safety at school. Most students are thinking that what accident happened in our school? No, dear student. I have earlier said that accident can happen in every place, in every moment, in every people. Yes, so accident also occurs in your school, so you have to be safe at your school. What are the some? There are some points. Dear students, I think you are putting your points in your notebooks. Yes, dear students. So there are some points that we used to follow at school to be safe. Okay, dear student. Do not push each other while climbing up and down stairs at school. Yes, dear student. Schools, you know very well, there are multi-story schools. So there are stairs on the school. So dear students, you don't have to push anyone on the moving of stairs, because if you will push someone, they will fall down and broken their bones also. Yes, dear students. Okay, dear students. In next class, we will read about the next points. That means safety at school, safety in playground, safety, and we shall read about the first aid. And I will give you some homework in next class. Just then, today's homework, you have to remember the safety at home and safety on road. I will ask few questions in your WhatsApp group, and you will have to give the answer. Okay, dear students. Thank you. Have a nice day.